I'm Dr. Smith, and I want to share with you today how I can help you with your scoliosis symptoms and not only reduce the pain quickly that's associated with that, but also reduce the muscle spasms and increase the mobility that you have so that you can function fully without pain and without discomfort, which is very important as how it will affect you in terms of your job duties, your job requirements, as you're driving to work and trying to function on the job, and then coming home and you're still experiencing pain after the exertions of the day, which can lead up to when you're trying to go to sleep and having problems even just laying down and getting comfortable, not finding comfort, tossing and turning through the night, waking up unrested and still in pain, and then not being able to perform the simplest of activities, dressing, bathing, showering while you're at home, and then having to go back to work again and suffering basically all the time. What I want to say is, with my over 9 years of experience, what I found to be the most common cause of scoliosis is genetic in nature. And what I found after over 10,000 treatments, the most effective therapies for scoliosis and its related symptoms are number 1, chiropractic treatment, number 2, muscle stimulation, and number 3, therapeutic massage. Let me share with you a little bit about how each of those therapies works. Number 1, chiropractic treatment involves detection of inflamed areas of the spine, and it has the effect of number 1, reducing pain, number 2, reducing pinched nerves and also increasing mobility, increasing joint space. Number 2, muscle stimulation is a mild form of gentle stimulating current which feels like a gentle tingling massage. Very, very comfortable, and it has the effect of number 1, acting as a nerve block and reducing your pain, number 2, it reduces muscle fatigue, and number 3, it reduces muscle spasm. Number 3, therapeutic licensed professional massage is a very gentle form of manual therapy which involves detection and correction of contracted and spasming muscles. It has the effect of number 1, reducing pain, number 2, stretching the muscles, which has the effect of reducing number 3, the muscle spasms. So, share with you an experience of someone that I have treated named Gina, and Gina had a severe scoliosis condition which she experienced ever since she was a child or since she was a teen, and this caused a tremendous problem with her, not only in her daily activities in the house, trying to tend to her housework and cleaning and laundry, but also primarily in trying to sleep and rest at night. She would wake up in extreme pain, and after treating her after just one visit, we experienced a 50% improvement, and she began to sleep more restfully. And then after just 1 week of treatment, she was sleeping 75% through the night with no pain and no disturbance. And then after just 2 weeks of treatment and therapy, she was sleeping completely free of pain and symptoms through the night and waking up rested in the morning and able to much better perform the things that she needed to do during the day. Now, why do patients choose our clinic for their service and their care? Let me share with you the 3 reasons. Number 1, I'm a member of the Ohio State Chiropractic Association, and as a member, I'm provided with the most current information and trends in care and treatment and therapies which are most effective for patients. Number 2, I'm a member of the Better Business Bureau, in which that's a commitment to quality and excellence for our patients. Number 3, we are the 2015 winner of the Patients Awards for chiropractic, Patients' Choice Awards for chiropractic in the area of Cincinnati. So, what I want to offer you is that we have a $47 new patient special that I'd like to invite you to take part in, and that has 4 parts to it. Number 1, a private consultation. The private consultation includes 3 specific things, and the first thing is that number 1, we want to detect the specific area of injury. Number 2, once we determine that, we can determine the specific and most appropriate therapy to use for that area. Then number 3, once we determine those 2 things, we can determine the most appropriate course of treatment to provide you with pain relief fast. Now, the second part of the special is the 4-point patient exam, which includes 4 testing protocols. Number 1, range of motion testing, which will allow me to identify and detect the restricted joints which were involved in the injury. Number 2, nerve testing, which will allow me to identify specifically the nerves which are involved. Number 3, muscle testing, which will allow me to specifically identify the muscles involved. Then number 4, orthopedic tests, which will allow me to identify specifically the ligaments, tendons, and cartilage which may be injured. This will lead to the third component of the special, which are 2 x-rays, if necessary, of the injured area to provide greater detail and allow me to see what it looks like on the inside. Now, if this reveals to me that you are going to benefit from chiropractic treatment, this leads to the fourth component, which is 1 chiropractic treatment and 1 therapy, which is muscle stimulation, which has the benefits explained of reduced muscle spasm and reduced pain. As a bonus, I will include 1 bottle of Biofreeze, which is an all-natural muscle pain relieving gel. I also want to offer a 2-part guarantee. The first part of the guarantee is that if we find that you cannot benefit from chiropractic treatment, then as a courtesy, I want to refer you to a specialist who can help you, and there'll be no charge for that office visit, and you can keep the bottle of Biofreeze. The second component of the guarantee, the second part, is that if you are not satisfied with your treatment, once again, there'll be no charge for the office visit, and once again, you can keep the bottle of Biofreeze. Now, this will be limited to the first 10 callers of the calendar month. The reason for this is because of constraints of space in our office. So if you are suffering and you're in pain, I'd like to offer you to take advantage of our new patient special, our $47 special, and please call us. We can help you. Our phone number is 513-385-CARE. That's 385-2273.